Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this video tutorial in Evoto using the LSP Hallmark presets. Gorgeous image up on my screen here by Gracie. I love when photographers send me images to use the presets with, because it means I can ensure they work on all different types of images, which I hope is helpful for your own Christmas minis. So let's dive in and get started. For the complete tutorials of how to use these presets, I recommend watching videos number 1 because this is a complete overview. This is more of an edit over my shoulder. So let's dive in. And the great thing about Evoto and these presets, once you have an edit that you like, you can sync it across to all the other images in a click. So I'm in the Hallmark section in the all-in-ones, and we're just going to go through and decide which one is going to work best for this image. I think Mini Magic's quite nice. Classic is also nice. Hallmark maybe potentially a little bright for this background. Santa maybe a bit dark. We need to find the Goldilocks preset. I think Jingle is going to work beautifully for this one. And I'm just going to crop this in. He's pointing to this little guy up here. We all know who that is. If you're a parent who does Elf in the Shelf, that is. Okay, so I'm just cropping this in a little bit. In Evoto you can do that. Or you can go in Photoshop and, you know, fill the background if you wanted to. But for the sake of quick editing, which minis should be, especially if you've done rather a lot of them, we want to get on quite quickly with this. So let's see our before and after. That was applying the Jingle preset and cropping in. Now let's tweak this a little further. Down into the sections now, creatively named. Image base is where, you know, if you want to add a different base to the edit that you've already got going on, you can go ahead and do that. I don't think we need to for this one. Skin retouch, this has already retouched the skin as well in the Jingle base, so, and I'm really happy with that, so we don't need to touch that either. Subject calm and subject pop. Subject pop will brighten, subject calm will kind of mute. We don't need to do that in this image. That just changes the subject. You can see that in the other videos. Background, I think I'm just going to click background darker and slide that up a little, just to darken this background, make our subject pop a little bit more. And I want to show you a cool hand editing technique in Evoto when you've got like glowing elements such as candles or lanterns in your on your backdrop. So you go into local in your color adjustment section and we click custom, create a custom mask. You can see a specific video tutorial on this as well. And what you do, first of all, you just put this mask anywhere you want it to show. It's going to kind of show up red. Let's make that lantern glow as well. How about we put a glow here as well? Let's pretend that's a glow just to balance things out a little bit. So we've got kind of our red areas where we want them to be glowing. Let's pop some on these lights, just like the lights are catching as well. Just dabbing around, it just looks red right now. Now we can create our own custom settings. I'm just going to slide the exposure up quite a bit. Maybe not quite that much. We want there to be a warm glow, so I'm going to slide the temperature up into the yellows. Perhaps brightness and highlights. We can bring shadows and blacks down because we want kind of a contrasted look. Hit the back button up here on custom. Back onto full image. And we can see we've added some glows as well as our preset, which I think makes this image pop even more. Thank you so much, Gracie, for sending this one in to me. You can watch more tutorials on the LSP Hallmark presets for Evoto and the LSP winter presets. All our winter Evoto presets have custom tutorials with them. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.